What's going on, everybody? Joey here, back in the garage with an amazing product that I want to test out. It says it's amazing, the description says it's amazing. I want to see how good it is. And basically all it is a wireless TPMS sensor. That's right. You put the sensors on the cap of the tire, it's going to monitor the pressure and the actual display. It's solar power. That's amazing. You don't have to plug it into your car. It's going to charge on its own in the sunny day, and you get to see how your tires are performing. So let's go ahead, check out the box, see what's inside, and see how easy it is, which I'm guessing super easy. I can turn a little knob to get these installed. Let's see, so a quick check inside the box. Looks like we have a wrench, some of these. You know, see what they're for. Instruction manual, USB charger cable, and it looks like the actual device, the readout device. And that is it. That's going to be a super simple install. Let's just check the instructions real quick to see what these are for. And they look like for the actual sensors, which are down here in the box and labeled right, left. Nice. Front, right, and so on and so forth. Front, left, and right, rear. I think that's what it is. Let's go ahead, we'll check out the instructions and get this installed. Now, installation seems to be very easy. I'm going to go ahead and skip on using the actual anti-theft lock or washers because I'm only going to test these on this vehicle. If it works out, might put it on the truck. And there we go. Let's go ahead and do the rest of the tires. So as easy as switching out those tire caps, it's working. I'm going to do a close-up right here, and it's showing the PSI and the temperature of the tires. As easy as that. But is it showing an accurate number? So I'm going to check over here with the internal TSM or TPMS system to see if they match up. In a check of the system, the only one that is not exactly right on is the rear passenger tire. It's saying 33, but I got 32. So that's pretty good results. And there we go, as easy as that. Now in all openness, this was sent out to me for review, and I love it. I knew I would love it when I saw it online. So I'm not paid by it, I'm just reviewing it, but if you want one too, I'll put a link to the Amazon description down at the bottom if you want one. It's about 30 bucks, and man, is this thing pretty cool. Like my old truck that it's going to go onto, it doesn't have an internal TPMS sensor. And I'm always wondering about the tires. I usually just go and the tire light comes up saying you need to check them, you check them, and you're good. But with this, battery solar powered, I'd always know what's going on with the tires. So with that, thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate everything you guys do, and as I mean straight from the heart, every time. Ride safe, drive safe. Please wear your seatbelt and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.